D&D Sports can be found on all social media, including Instagram. We are also now a full-service Traxxas exclusive dealer. Welcome back, D&D Sports fans, and today is Monday. We just got back from Watkins Glen, New York. I went to the NASCAR race. If you didn't check out that video, I'll leave a link right up here on top. Go check it out. You can comment on there, and that'll also qualify you for the mystery giveaway that's going to happen on August 30th. So we got two boxes here on the table today. Let's start with this one. Let's see what's in it. So it looks like two TRX-4 Sports and one Blazer. Pull it out. Alright guys, also located in that box was a 1/16 E Revo, and there was a bag full of parts. So we'll empty all that out after we see what's in this big box. Alright, so it looks like there might be a Slash, a Rossi Edition. Looks like there might be another Rossi Edition Rally, and just another two-wheel drive Slash. We'll pull those out. Alright guys, so here is everything. We got two blue TRX-4 Sports. We got one orange Blazer. We got the Rally Edition, the VR46 Valentino Rossi. And we got the Slash Edition of that in. Got another two-wheel drive Slash. The E Revo, that is the new paint job. One of the new paint jobs that were released. Guess it is the orange and blue one, just like on the front of the box. And we got some performance shocks. Got some green springs for those. We just got some other TRX-4 parts. Got some Rustler parts. Alright guys, well that is everything from this order for this. We got one more order coming in, hopefully early Friday, so I can get it included in the video. Alright guys, it's Friday. We got two small things in. I'm actually in the store today recording this. As you can see, I'm in the process of putting up that backer board, the pegboard backer, if you watched a couple weeks ago. So I'm slowly moving everything over as I do that. We got some products sitting around, but here's what we're looking for today, the order. Also, don't forget, make sure you comment in this video also, because that will get you registered for my birthday giveaway, which is happening on August 30th. Alright, so make sure you comment in this one. If you haven't commented in our other videos, go back to 2 weeks ago, where I announced the $40 winner and announced the contest. Alright, so let's look in the small box first. And it looks like it's just going to be all parts. Okay, and in the big box, this is going to be the new TRX-4 Mercedes edition, I guess we'll call it. Alright, we'll pull it all out and I'll show you what we got. Alright guys, so in that box was the red Mercedes-Benz G500. We also got a card talker, so we'll put that on the counter. Customers can come in, see the price, and when it's going to be available. We got this poster to hang up on the front door. Also got some restock of some parts. This is a rear axle for a two-wheel drive Stampede. 8055 or 8085 is a complete light kit for a Sport. And we also got a restock on a toolkit. And Dan Gavin, his $40 that he won, he elected to get part number 8263, which are the shock shafts, part 8118, which is a spare tire rack, and then he also wanted one of the toolkits, 3415. Alright guys, so that is everything in today's order. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. That'll get you another chance to win the birthday surprise.